Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. The week has just started, and it's gonna be very interesting one. Due to the many events on the market, as usual, we are getting closer to November. You know what Fed say? November, actually, they're planning to cut the government bond purchases, so-called tapering. So this definitely can push the US dollar. But until then, I think we're safe to go with lower dollar in in a weekly basis. So what we got? US increased debt ceiling until November. They're waiting to see what's gonna happen. Still, the labor market in United States is kind of like shaky. US indices are recovering, traders are preparing for November, and very important. We started the earnings season. Eyes on JP Morgan quarterly report ahead on Wednesday. JP Morgan is going to release their quarterly report, which is a big deal because they have very big weight in the S&P 500 index and in general in the US indices. So that's why the indices are going to be in focus until the end of the month. So what we got on the calendar today? Nothing much. Thanksgiving Day to Canada, their holiday in Canada, free day. Um, Happy holidays, guys, and really wish you all the best. Tuesday we have tomorrow Clement count change in UK 6 a.m. GMT. Job openings JOTs 2 p.m. GMT for US. These are not so like volatile events. Wednesday to the day after tomorrow. Sorry, important inflation report, guys. 12:30 inflation, it's pretty closely watched by the Federal Reserve. Still the inflation is very high, 4%. The healthy inflation, quickly to remind you, is 2% on yearly basis. So we definitely expect volatility around this event. 12:30 on Wednesday. FOMC meeting minutes 6 p.m. Let's see what they have to say. Thursday, we have initial jobless claims 12:30, exactly the same time. PPI and crude oil inventories 3 p.m. Crude oil is just smashing the $80 per barrel level. We're gonna take a look in about a minute. Friday core retail sales, exactly the same time for US, exactly the same time retail sales, 12:30 GMT. Very good event, I would definitely say. Let's take a look. What do we have on the market, on the charts in front of us? Your US dollar, this is simply what's going on. US dollar is showing signs of for weakness. The first signs for weakness since June. As you can see, this is indicating US dollar growth. But you can see here on the bottom, simply that the euro is struggling to push lower. In my opinion, we're gonna see sharp push to the upside. Let's just find some good entry on the euro US dollar. GBP USD performing much better compared to the euro. Uh, very nice recovery, 230 pips, and we can expect a little bit drop, and after that continuation to the upside pretty much possible in order to test 1.37, 1.38, not impossible whatsoever. Not very big events for the GBP. Clement count change on Tuesday. On Wednesday we have gross domestic product, but these are not very volatile events for the GBP. Australian USD, it's trying to recover 120. This drop to the downside, on facing almost resistance 0.7340, these levels. So slight drop again and push through this level in order to test 0.7411. Absolutely possible. And if we see breakout of this level, 0.7563 is the next resistance level. New Zealand, Bank of New Zealand, last week, quickly to remind you, it actually became the first bank taking a step towards their interest rates. They increased the interest rates with 0.25% to 0.5%. But as you can see, there was a quick impact on the New Zealand USD, but quickly it started going fluctuating and recovered most of the drop for a couple of days. 0.6942 important level for the New Zealand. If we see breaking out, the next level is 0.71, which we talk about 160 pips away from the current price. This could be definitely very nice target. USD Canadian going first on the crude oil to take a look this beauty what's going on. Haven't shorted yet, still looking for short trades on the crude. 80.87, unbelievable considering this low demand for crude. This is absolutely caused by the inflation. In my opinion, I don't think this is indicating higher and higher demand for crude oil. But let's take a look what's gonna happen in the next couple of weeks. November is coming, so winter is coming. People are gonna start traveling less, and this definitely can make a big push on top of the crude. 80.87 current price of the crude. I've been expecting to see a drop, and good definitely entry level than to take a short trades on the crude. Most people are thinking that I'm crazy, but let's take a look. USD Canadian. So 1.2456 current price staying on the support level. Absolutely clear opportunities here. It was super simple. Short of the resistance, slight correction, short again. Absolutely perfect short trades with very decent profits. 200 from the first drop, and right now we're having 300 pips. Whoever shorted USD Canadian, which was pretty logical, is very happy right now. USD Swiss still holding the resistance level 0.9280. 0.9296 is very important resistance for the USD Swiss. I will wait a little bit to see how the price is going to perform, but definitely looking to short the USD Swiss one more time, as I am doing it since the last couple of months. And USD Japan is totally ignoring what's going on around the world, totally ignoring the weakness of the USD, the Federal Reserve printing, how much the Federal Reserve is printing on daily basis. So USD Japan breaking through the resistance and just trying to hit the sky 112.69. So the next resistance is nowhere. All right, so we have 112.38, sorry, as a resistance level, and the price is just smashing this resistance with 40 pips away from the resistance, becoming support. And let's take a look. I am very curious to see how the USD Japan is going to perform. That's why, as I told you, I'm not touching it until it breaking out one of these support and resistance levels, this zone, ranging zone. And right now we can even start looking for buy opportunities, but you have to be super careful if you're gonna take any buy trades on the USD Japan, simply because of the future weakness that we've been expecting. So thank you very much definitely for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed these videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course click the bell in order to be updated all the time about the new videos. Share us and like us on the social medias. This is how you support our channel, and expect my new video on Wednesday. Good luck.